Well, it's lunchtime for Pedro. I was out here this morning. He was having breakfast, I guess. I think he eats all the time. Because every time I come out here, he's sitting up in this popcorn tree, munching away. All by his lonely. Of course, the little birds up there too, you can hear them. It's Monday, February the 3rd. You know, tomorrow, back in 1957, February the 4th, I put my hand up, my right hand that is, and joined the Navy in Jacksonville, Florida. 1957, February the 4th. What do you think of that?